Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to use the Putoline Helmet Sanitizer. At the back there are the dangers and where you can use the Helmet Sanitizer on. So today we're going to try on the JH5 with silver colored visor. Okay, so spray it on and clean it with a microfiber cloth. It's really easy and it's really clean. So now let's try it on the gold visor. Spray it on and it's really shiny. So here we are trying it on the fly-on matte carbon with a gold visor with lots of fingerprints. Here's a cool slow-mo of how the Putoline Helmet Sanitizer sprays out from the nozzle. So let's just spray it on and clean it. As you can see, all the fingerprints are gone. It's so clean and shiny. Here we have a really dirty visor from the Cardinal Racing Team helmet. Look at all the stains and the dirt. So as per usual, spray it on and let's start cleaning. So here we got a really dirty and dusty cardboard drift Evo, and let's try it on. After thorough cleaning, it's really clean like new. So here we got a K6 which is really dusty and dirty. Look at the fingerprints on the visor. So let's just spray it on.